Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Are you losing your phone data such as messages, phone history, contacts, and so on? Don't worry guys, in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to restore all data on Android phone. Let's get to it. First of all, go to your settings app on your phone. Then you have to scroll your screen until you find accounts and backup, and it's right here. Just tap on it, then click on restore data right here. And wait for a moment guys. Alright, and choose a backup to restore data from, and just be able to click on this option. Just click on it, then choose the data that you want to restore. For example, I'm going to choose contacts and also messages, and after that we can click on restore to restore the data. Okay guys, that's how we can restore our data on Android phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe the channel. See you on the next video.